Hello. Fashion is who you are and whom you are going to represent. It is mainly about accessories and as well as clothing and all. Fashion is a conception and that is currently appropriate. Hi, I'm Shubarna Ghosh and an expert, a designer and a fashion educationist. I've been working in the fashion industry since 18 years and I am born and brought up in Delhi and UP and married and settled in Kolkata, and I have a son who is doing his engineering in Panipat. I did my graduation in English literature as well as in fine arts, but did my post graduation in English literature from Agra University in the year 1995. Then I did a 1-year diploma course in South Delhi Polytechnic Fashion Designing, New Delhi in the year 1992. Right now I'm pursuing MSc in Fashion Design and Management from the Global Open University, Nagaland, Dimapur. I enrolled in the year 2019 in the June, and in fact I went to Dimapur in this December to give my exams also. So my result is supposed to be coming out in April, but because of the present situation, it is being most probably it would come out during the month of June or July. Presently, I am also working on few projects and all. That is to motivate and encourage the students. The theme which I am working is on a project that is related to Bengal Leads the Fashion, where the emerging students or emerging designers, they are participating, and I being the concept developer and working with them. What will be the fashion forecasting in the industry of Bengal fashions. So that is mainly a kind of project we are looking forward to. That may be held in September and all. And then I have my own studios in Salt Lake, Kolkata, where I train the students and all, and as well as I design clothing for women's wear and apparels for the women consumers and all. Then I was also hired for external examiner in few colleges of Kolkata, and I have been working as a full-timer as well as guest and then visiting faculties in the colleges like INIFD, then Gift Institute of Fashion, then RVTI, college that is related to a central government and all. So I've been doing all these kinds of things. Even I have teaching the graduate and the postgraduate students under the recognized universities, that is the Mahatma Gandhi Open University, then Karnataka Open University, then Punjab Technical Universities and all. My expertise skills are related to the fashion studies, the sewing techniques, then merchandising, as well as the apparel constructions and all, pattern making, history of fashion, then some parts related to textile science, that is designing, then weaving, then printing and dyeing, as well as identifying the natural as well as the man-made fibers, and to proceed forward how to to recognize how to create your own textures and art and to develop the designs and all. Then my passion is to to teach the designings, to explore my knowledge and to skill, and I love to encourage and motivate the students who wants to be a designer one day. There are lots and lots of opportunities for them these days, so I am there to help them out, and fashion is a kind of vehicle who would take me to the strive of excellence and all, and prove my skills. The qualities you are looking forward for this kind of position requires a strong skill in teaching as well into the field of designing and all, and I think I am the one who can give my best knowledge, as I have that kind of urge to share my knowledge with the more and more students and all, and to gain the expertization which I have been gaining so far since all these years and all. So, and the position you're looking for is a strong knowledge, and I think so I am well equipped in the subjects related to fashion designing and all. So, I am confident enough since I have been teaching so many years. So, looking forward for your kind approval. Thank you.